Well, a local town says it's an attempt to slow the spread of COVID-19. For right now, their public bathrooms at a popular park are still locked.
Now, one resident is raising concerns, asking, is that actually what's best for the community? Our Alicia Nespresso breaks it down.
Locked bathrooms were a common sight at the beginning of the pandemic. The fear being COVID-19 was possibly spread on surfaces. Now, 2 years into the pandemic, the city of Lorena has yet to reopen facilities at McBrayer Park.
I am less comfortable coming to this park because the restroom's closed.
Lorena resident James Jensen says it's time to reopen, calling the closure unsanitary and failing to stop other disease spread from not washing your hands.
These are surfaces that everybody's touching. People still come to the park, use all the tables, use the toys, especially the people playing basketball. They touch each other, they share a ball, they throw it around, and how are you going to clean up after that?
Jensen's concerns do go past just not being able to wash your hands. He says when men have to use the restroom and can't access the toilet, they'll just find other areas of the park to go. He says he's seen this numerous times when visiting with his young daughter.
The only option that you have to go, if you have to go, is outdoors. With a 6-year-old little girl, and other people bring their children here as well, it raises the risk of seeing something that a child shouldn't be seeing.
Jensen has met with several city leaders over the last few months, but they say the decision to close stays put for now.
We want all people to be cautious and, feel free to use the park, but we just don't feel that we're staffed properly to keep them properly cleaned on a regular interval.
With a new wave of COVID spreading through McLennan County, the health department shows a weekly average of 918 new cases. City manager Kevin Neal says the restroom would need to be cleaned every few hours to prevent spread, but opening them would cause more harm than good.
To put a citizen or an employee at risk because we don't have the proper staff to clean them on a regular basis as need be would just hinder us more than it would help.
Neal says he has yet to see police reports of people relieving themselves in public and encourages anyone who sees that to report it. In Lorena, Alicia Nespresso, 25 News.